Hello and welcome back. Once again, I'm B9 Scrambler, and this is the KZ LingLong, not to be confused with Ling from Drawn Together. Picked this up from AliExpress for about $21. It has a 6mm micro driver, which is the reason why I picked it up. I know nothing about it. I just saw that it existed. The micro ring is one of my favorite KZs of all time, and it also has a 6mm micro driver, so maybe they will be similar. I don't know. Let's open it. We'll find out, shall we? Got my trusty pocket knife here because unfortunately the scissors I used to use for unboxing, Pinky, they died. So let's get this garbage off. Alright, so specs. 20 to 40, impedance 25, plus or minus 3 ohms, sensitivity 103 decibels, plus or minus 3, and blah blah blah, nobody cares. Alright. For you. Oh, very nice. So you got your product warranty card. Nobody cares. And you get this nice little case. That's cool. Inside. Alright, those are the earphones. Let's set you over here. Let's take a look at the ear tips you get. Okay. Come on. I'll let you go. Get out of here. Alright, so these are cat butt ear tips. Let's see, go to macro mode. Alright. You can do it, Panasonic. Alright, as you can see, these little ridges. Now these are the cheap cat butt tips. They're very soft silicone. Admittedly, I don't like these ones. I prefer the hard ones, but whatever. They're fine. So you got those. Next up, let's check out the earphones themselves. This bag. Go, AB. Okay, cool. Wow. Alright, let's start with the cable. So, it's a fixed cable. This is the same one. It came with the caster that I reviewed. Come on. Come on, Panasonic. You can do it, buddy. Really? Oh. Yeah, you did it. Good job. Okay, anyway. There we go. Sorry, my hands are very dry. It's winter here in Canada. It's cold. Everything sucks. And, yeah. Really? God, this camera sucks. Okay. And there are the earphones themselves. If this thing will ever decide to focus. Okay, let's try this again. So you have this cable, which is the same one more or less that was on the caster. Nice strain relief. Very basic Y-split. And we've got the earpieces. Nice small, very basic bullet shape. Vented in the rear, left-right markings. Nice little nozzle. Oh, and oddly enough, these are not medium-sized cat butt tips. No freaking way. Really, KZ? You're gonna do me dirty like that? I get some cat butt and then no cat butt? Rude. Alright, well, we will give these a quick listen. I'll come back and let you know what I think. And maybe by that time this stupid camera will have focused. Bye. Okay, what do we got? So, after running a few tracks through Captain LingLong here, we've got some notes. So, lots of bass, good extension, a little too mid-bass biased for my preference. Also a little boomy and slower than I sound, especially for a 6mm driver. It's supposed to be nice and tight and quick. However, you know, texturing is pretty good. The mids are definitely recessed. Female vocalists take precedence on here. Timbre's fairly natural, though it has a bit of a warm tilt, probably due to all that mid-bass and sub-bass. And they do sound a little bit harsh at high volumes. Not really sure how to emphasize on that one, just everything has kind of a hard edge to it. Treble, it's definitely elevated, has a 7K peak, which I know will bother some of you. Detail retrieval, though, is pretty good. Instrument separation clarity, also nice. So it's a little bit on the bright side, but for me, I kind of like that. Some of you might be bothered by it. Soundstage, pretty compact, not a lot of width, not a ton of depth. However, instrument separation and spacing is quite good, so they don't sound congested despite sounding small. Overall, pretty generic sounding earphone, in my opinion. I can't see too many being disappointed, especially for the price and with this nice little case. Yeah, do I recommend them? I don't know. If you're looking for a tiny little bass cannon, yeah, sure, why not? Go for it. If you just want a cheap, fairly durable earphone, yeah, that's also nice. If you're a picky audiophile, no, don't get them.